Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to wrap your hands in 60 seconds or less, just like this. And we're starting right now. Before we start, if your hand wraps look like this, I want you to untie it right now. So just take it apart, unravel it, take it apart. So the key to doing this right is that you always want to have the Velcro side rolling up first. So you take whatever side that has the Velcro, you see the side with the Velcro, then you start rolling it up. So doing it by hand like this could be a little slow. So there's this little trick that I like to do, and this is what it looks like. So everybody's hand wraps should look like this now. So most people I see go like this when they're wrapping these types of hand wraps. But my way is a little bit different, and it's gonna be my way of doing it. So it's all subjective. Okay, so I'm gonna just wrap my hands first at normal speed without saying anything. You guys can see how it looks like. Then I'm gonna break it down. There's two ways of doing it, and this is the first way. Just like that, my hands are wrapped. So this is what I use 80% of the time. The second method is what I use 20% of the time. So it's pretty simple. The only reason I don't like this method is, as you can see right here in my palm, the ropes go through my palm and it kind of gets uncomfortable at times, and I don't like the way it feels. So that's the only downside of this first method, and I'm gonna show you the second method right now. Okay, same thing with the other one, starts off the same. Second method, here we go. And that's it right there. So the reason why I like the second method is I can do this with my wraps. So I basically just pull it to the side instead of pulling it down, and it frees up my palm and it frees up my thumb. So it's all preference. I use this side 80% of the time because this side is a little bit slower to do, and sometimes you mess up. If you do mess up, it feels a little bit tighter. So that's why I don't like the left side. It just feels a little bit more inconsistent. But this side does feel a little clunky due to this part where I can't close my hand as well. But this side, you're a lot more free to close your hand. So let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think, left or right? Okay, so it's time to break down how I do the hand wraps. Very simple. Step one, I go 4 times around my fingers. So I keep my fingers the same width as my knuckle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, then I pull it out. Now you have your knuckle guard. If you guys already have your knuckle guard, you guys can skip this step. Then I put it onto my knuckle. You can see that, okay. Now we're back on camera. Knuckle, I go over my palm 1 time. I go over the knuckle 1 time. Then I go over my palm. Then I go over my thumb. Then I go over my wrist. This part from my wrist, I strap it down to the bottom side of my thumb right here. This little L shape. I use that as an anchor, and I bring it to the top. So this is where the two styles differ. You can either drag it all the way down and come across to the back side of your to the top side of your wrist, or you can pull it across and come through the top side of your knuckle. So I'll show that one more time. Down, over to the back side of your wrist, or top side of your wrist, or down and over to the top side of your knuckle. So that's where the two styles differ. And you do that 3 more times. So I'm gonna just go with the regular way that I always go with. So I go down, wrist, come back through the anchor. If you guys can see the anchor right there, come back, middle finger, down, wrist, back up through the anchor. Now I didn't do the index. So I go anchor, index finger, index and middle finger, goes through just like that, boom. From there, I pull it through the top side of the knuckle, and we wrap it down like that. And then we go top side, thumb, wrist, one wrist, and from the wrist, I call this the X. So we're gonna make an X over the backside to support our wrist and this bone right here, because this is the most important bone that you don't wanna break, which is the backside. So I wrap it around here, so it goes through there, just like that, through your palm. So you wanna pull, when you get to this point, I want you guys to pull it tight, nice and tight, then you wrap it around again. So you guys can see right here that I made the X. 1, 2. So once you've made that X, you wrap that around your wrist one time, and then you finish off the rest of this. You finish off the rest of this down here at your wrist. And just like that, you are done. Nice, clean, and simple. You guys can pull it apart like this if you want. And boom. Like that. Nice and tight. So, alright, let's do a little quick glove fit test. So whenever I train, I don't really like tying my laces. Generally just stick them inside. Then I stick my hand right after that. And it fits just fine. Unless I'm like seriously training. But whenever I'm training by myself, this is the go-to move. And it fits just fine. The fit is nice and snug. And it fits perfectly. And yep, that's all there is to wrapping your hands in under 60 seconds. I hope this guide was useful. That is it to wrapping your hands. I hope you guys found that guide useful. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit the sub button. Thank you guys for tuning in. And if you guys made it here, comment tomato juice down in the comments below so that I know you guys made it to the end. All right, peace out, everybody.